Kavanaugh declines to answer whether a president can be subpoenaed. Protesters were removed from Judge Brett Kavanaugh's confirmation hearing for a second day on Wednesday as Senate Judiciary Committee Chairman Chuck Grassley accused Democrats of coordinating with protesters to disrupt the hearings. Supreme Court has an interest to stay up to date on the latest Supreme Court news, video, and analysis from ABC News. The Supreme Court nominee is set to answer questions from senators throughout the day for the first time Wednesday. Members of the committee will have 30 minutes each to question Kavanaugh on a variety of issues and on his record as a federal judge. "We will get through each question today, no matter how long it takes," Grassley said. Grassley started off the questioning by asking Kavanaugh to describe his idea of a good judge. As protesters interrupted repeatedly, Kavanaugh said that a good judge is independent, citing cases such as Brown v. Board of Education and the United States v. Nixon, in which courts issued unpopular rulings despite political or public pressure. "I'm a pro-law judge and Eva ruled for parties based on whether they have the law on their side. That's part of being an independent judge, is ruling for the party no matter who they are so long as the party is right. If you walk into my courtroom and you have the better legal arguments, you will win," he said. Democrats are expected to question Kavanaugh on his views on previous Supreme Court decisions, including Roe v. Wade and Citizens United. But he said nominee precedent weighs heavily on him as he answers questions. He cited previous Supreme Court nominees as insisting in their confirmation hearings that judges can offer no forecasts or hints on how they might rule on a case. "If I say something and the case comes before me 5 years from now, I'll feel morally bound by what I said here. If Eva crossed the line of what I should say, then I'm not going to have an open mind in that case. That's a violation of judicial independence," he said. Tuesday's hearing was interrupted and delayed by protesters and protests from Democrats who say the hearing should be delayed until they receive more documents from Kavanaugh's time working for President George W. Bush. Republicans accuse the minority of playing politics with a nomination they've already promised to oppose, but that won't stop them from asking charged questions about a number of high-profile issues in the next 2 days as they press Kavanaugh to discuss his views on abortion, gun rights, the powers of the presidency and whether President Donald Trump could be subpoenaed in the special counsel's investigation. Precedent upon precedent affirmed Roe v. Wade. The ranking Democrat on the committee, Senator